how to fix this client error on Valorant. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, all you need to do, just type here. First type here services, and then scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on VGC properties and select here automatic and click start, and now just stop it again and apply and OK. And after that, all you need to do, just type here device manager, and now just make sure to update all the drivers here, like display adapters and also network adapters, and here processors. If you want to update it, it's easy. Right click and update driver, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.